G'day and welcome to this tutorial on installing my motifs in Lace 8. You will receive the files by email as Etsy does not allow for the less common file extension of LC8. First, save the attached file to your desktop. Drop your email software to the taskbar. Then start Lace 8 and open the downloaded file on the desktop. This file is for the 6-pin basic spider and its variations. Now we will save each of the motifs within the Motifs library. Left mouse click to select a motif, then right mouse click to see the options. Click on Save as Motif. For the first time you add a motif, it is necessary to decide where it is going to be stored. In this case, I will add a new folder named 99 New Motifs by JennyBrandisLace. Then click OK. Select that folder, then I'm going to rename motifs to spiders. To do this, click on Edit, enter the new name before clicking OK. Lastly, we add the motif name. In this case, it is a 6-pin basic spider. Type that in and then click Save. Repeat the last few steps for each of the motifs. Close the motif file as it is no longer required. One thing I should explain is that you cannot see the newly saved motifs in New Design 1. This is because New Design 1 was already open when we saved the new motifs. Open a New Design window and check that the new motifs are now available. My next video is called Using the ICC Motifs from Jenny Brandis Lace.